Are you losing your mind to AI, or are you using it as a gym buddy? Take a look at these 5 steps right here. So number 1, do you make changes to the AI's answer? It allows you to keep control of your mind instead of just copying and pasting. Number 2, do you put your own voice into it? You keep your personality strong so it sounds like you, your style, your stories, and your perspective. Number 3, do you use AI for different kinds of tasks? This keeps your brain flexible by working on different types of projects, not just one. Number 4, do you double check what AI gives you? By doing this, you stay sharp when you review the output and make adjustments, whether that's fixing errors, changing the tone, or asking AI to try again. And number 5, do you take at least one step yourself before using AI? You strengthen your thinking when you do a small part on your own first, like writing a quick draft, making bullet points, or brainstorming ideas before letting AI help. When you use AI this way, you stay in control of your mind instead of letting the machine take over. Every time you make changes, add your voice, mix up the tasks, double check the output, and start with a step of your own. You keep your brain active and strong by doing that. That's the difference between letting AI do the thinking for you and using it as a tool to sharpen your thinking. This has been Lady C. I want to thank you so much for being in my audience. Please hit that like and subscribe button, leave your comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.